Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. This intro is a little bit different because I forgot to film an intro, so we are doing this iPhone style. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is all about my nails. I want you guys to check out this nail video, but before we get into it, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Remember to bloom because a flower is a soul, blossoming in nature. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Hey guys, let's get started. So I already did one of my hands like I always do when I do my videos. And what I'm going to do is start by pushing my cuticles back. Actually, yesterday I already had like cleaned up my cuticles, so I'm just pushing them back just to make sure that they're where they're supposed to be so that these nails look flawless. So I'm going in with my nail drill first. And I'm just going to buff off all the extra oils and stuff like that out of my nails. And this is what helps the nails last longer because your nails are like drier, so it sticks longer. Yeah. So I'm going in with my Kiss nail glue and I'm just adding these Kiss curved nails that I actually got for like I think $2 from the beauty supply store. I really feel like you could get them from anywhere, but they were like $2 or $3 for the pack of like 20. So that's just all I'm doing right now. I'm just putting the nails on, and this is like usually what I always do. So once my nails are on, I'm going to go ahead and start to shape them. I decided I wanted to do a coffin, like I always do stilettos. So I was like, you know, let me just do some like really pointy coffin nails. So I'm starting to file that out now after I cut the sides of the nails off. And this just makes it easier to file, so I'm just not filing like crazy. So before I continue filing, I realized I didn't cut, you know, the nails to the right length. I had cut the ones on my right hand. So I'm just cutting them and measuring them and making sure that they're even and they look the same and all of that good stuff because you want your hands to look pretty similar. That's just part of the deal. So after that, of course, I'm going to go back to filing. And once I'm done filing, I'm going to go back with the nail bit. And because these tips that you get from like the hair store and stuff like that, they're not the tips like that are like half tips, if that makes sense. So you have to like kind of file it so it doesn't have a demarcation, or that's what I do. So you can't see like a mark or anything like that when you put the polygel on, especially when you want it to be like that natural look. So I'm going in with my base gel all over that nail just to make sure that it's ready to receive all of the polygel goodness that I'm about to put on top. Okay. And then of course we put it in my Makartt LED lamp, and that's going to cure it. And I usually do this part about 3 times. So I use 3 different polygels. This is an old set, so I'm just kind of like trying to get rid of it. But you know, we don't waste nothing, sis. We don't waste coins. So if there's something in there, we going to use it. So I use 3 colors. I'm using Misty Rose, then I use light pink, and then I use dark pink on top. I don't show each step because it's pretty much the same. You're just doing what I'm doing right now. Add some alcohol and just rubbing out that polygel in thin layers, and that's what's going to make it look natural. So yeah, pretty much that's all I did. So after that, I'm gonna go, you see the color is built, it's like a lightish pinkish color. But now what I'm doing is just going ahead and filing those down again and making sure the polygel that I just put on top looks perfect. And after that, pretty much done. I'm just gonna put on the top coat. Or they call it top it off for the Makartt set. Yes, I didn't say that I was using my Makartt set. I'm actually going to buy another one, a colored one, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so then we go ahead and cure it for the last time, and that is it, guys. I rubbed some alcohol on it, and these are my nails. I love them because they're like natural, they're pink. I'm thinking about adding some like pearls on top. I don't really know, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to join that flower gang, and make sure you click this next video and subscribe. Mwah.